We have also seen that there should be more or less 150 meter distance between bus stops. So people should not walk 150 meters or more than this to find a bus or to find a bus stop. So if you go to this app and if you are there, say at Altino here, and you want to go to Goa University, or you want to go to GMC, or you want to go to bus station, the app will tell you, you take bus number so and so, your bus stop is, the closest bus stop is here. So if you take the DB mark, which is the broadest road, and the longest route which we have, which is the yellow route, we have 12-meter buses there. So if you have our smart card, then the validator, you can just tap the card inside the validator and you can go. As the model progresses, YN may start as per the demand. We will work on it. So as of now, we had started at 8 to terminate at 8. We have made it 8:30. People are slowly coming to us saying that please start at 9. So after 9, YN will start. If we want after 9, till 9 we will keep our regular service. Y1 and Y2 will be at till 9. After 9 PM, maybe there is a demand. We will start YN. We are giving you figures of what happened last month. So last month we started our route with one bus on the 1st of the month. We have people, 2,213 people are traveling by our buses per day. Total ridership for the month was 68,000.